everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a swipe with some neon colors today. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very helpful for me. Doesn't cost anything to do. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, thank you so much. You know I love you. And keep coming back to watch videos. Keep those comments coming too, because you know I love reading those and I always answer. Alright, so we got the white acrylic already on a 10 by 20 canvas. Just blew out all the bubbles and I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to start with my bright colors, so I've got neon pink. And I'm just going to do basically a whole bunch of puddles across the top. I'm probably going to do some in the bottom and just swipe towards the middle. And then what I do in the middle, I haven't really decided yet. So let's just do, actually I'm going to pour it. We're going to do the neon pink right at the top. And we're going to do it at the bottom as well. Doesn't matter that I drip because I'm going to be swiping it anyways. That's the fun of abstract art. You figure it out as you go. Okay, then we got some neon green. I'll do down here first. Okay, then I've got some neon blue. Do some at the top here as well. It's going to be a fun, colorful painting. Okay, so I've got the neon colors down there. I'm going to add some of my white with a little bit of silicone in it to help with the swiping. I'm going to put some at the bottom here, right along the edge, and at the top here, right along the edge. Okay, let's swipe this through and see how it looks. Just going to take a regular piece of plastic. This one's a well-used painted piece of plastic. And swipe these colors down. To right about there. Put this one down. I pulled it a little bit on an angle just out of curiosity to see if that's going to work to change the look of my painting at all. Okay, let's do this bottom section. I think this one needs just a little bit more of an angle swipe hold here. There we go. Grab my piece of napkin. Okay, let's give it a torch. Well, I'm liking this so far. Okay, so now I think I want to do a little bit more of the bright pink. Just going to do a puddle of it here, puddle of it here, and a puddle of it here. We'll start with that. And then the green, I'm just going to go like this, and like this, and like this. The blue, I don't think it really needs some blue. I want some darker green. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of evergreen. It's not fluorescent. Just to add some color here. Take my paint knife. Okay. And this is me just winging it. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just do what I do. Okay. Okay. Just leave that for now and figure out what I'm going to do with. I'm going to do some silicone white in here, I think. A little bit of silicone white in each of these. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of a finger paint. Those are gorgeous. Okay. So now maybe I do want to do some blue. Remember finger painting as a kid being so much fun? This is very comparable to that. Okay, I like that one. Let's see what we can do with this guy. Just make him a little bit of a bud. Okay, just about done here. Okay, this guy. Just a little bloom. Just going to dip my finger in here a little bit and just make a little bit of a bigger bloom happening right here. There we go. It's a tiny drop. Okay. There we go. I'm happy with that. Beautiful. Okay. I think I'm going to be calling this masterpiece done. Let me give it another quick little torch. Flowers a torch. There we go. There's my neon masterpiece of the day. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. It just goes to show, takes 10 minutes of your day, a little bit of acrylic paint, some glue and water, and go to town. Look what you can create. Please hit the subscribe button and join me again real soon. Thanks, everyone.